if you took the 2008 and then took the 2011 and they had a baby, that would be the perfect truck. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking. And I was just thinking, I have the 2008 Freightliner Century, and I also have the 2011 Freightliner Coronado. And what really kind of, stinks is both trucks are good by themselves, but the perfect truck would be if there was a way to combine the two of them together and make, another truck, or, take parts from one and put it into the other truck. So basically, what I like so much on the 2008 Freightliner Century is obviously the Detroit 60 series. That motor is a pretty good motor. And aside from that, the interior is not that great. It's okay. It's subpar. Guys usually deal with it. I've dealt with it for years. It's a little rattly. It's not the most solid thing. And then on the 2011 Freightliner Coronado, now this is the SD 122 versions, the newer body styles. I love the body style itself, and I love the interior. But the only problem is, the only way you can get those trucks is with a DD15 or a new age Cummins ISX. So if there was a way to take the motor out of the Century Detroit 6 series and put it into the Coronado, that would be a fantastic way to go. That would make like the absolute perfect truck. The Coronado's got the 18 speed. It's got the awesome interior, which, I can show you guys a clip of that now, where, it's got the cup holders that actually hold cups and drinks without falling over. All of you guys who have Freightliners, Centuries, and older Coronados and Columbias will know what I'm talking about. The cup holders of this dash, which I'll show, kind of suck. They just fall out. But yeah, so you'll have, like I said, you'll have the great interior. You'll have the 18 speed. I would basically leave the Coronado alone. Just transplant the powertrain from, or just the motor from the Century into the Coronado. That would be fantastic, because the other Coronado body style is really close to the Century. They just modified the hood a little bit, and then everything else is kind of similar to an older Freightliner interior. But if you could take the actual new Coronado SD 122 with the updated hood and body and interior and have a Detroit 60 series in it, that would just be the absolute perfect truck. The only issue with that is conforming. I don't know how it would do conforming to emission standards. Where I live, I don't have emissions, so that's good, at least for now. Places are all the time adding truck emissions, so I guess we'll have to see on that. But yeah, I just figured that, I wish there was a way to combine the two and morph them into one, but there just isn't. And I really want to keep one or the other truck, because I've got some exciting news coming. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I wish I could keep one or other truck, but man, it would be perfect if I could combine that new Coronado body style with the older motor. It would just be fantastic, as I really like the way the Coronado looks, the SD 122 model. But yeah, I just thought I'd make this quick video. I wish there was a way to make it happen, but there's obviously a good reason why I'm selling either both the trucks or maybe one or the other, depending on how things go. And that video will be coming very soon, and I can't wait to show you guys what's been brewing behind the scenes and what's coming up. So stay tuned. I'm pretty excited, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the videos coming up, and I will see you on the next one.